6:19 a.m. na, itinalaga po ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang ilang miyembro ng gabinete kasama ng ilang opisyal bilang government representatives sa mga komite ng UNESCO National Commission of the Philippines. Itinalaga sina Education Secretary Sani Angara, TESDA Director General Jose Francisco Benitez, CHED Chairman J. Prospero de Vera III at BARM Education Minister Mohagbir Iqbal bilang mga miyembro ng Education Committee. Inilagay naman sina National Economic and Development Authority Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, Philippine Commission on Women Executive Director K.Ann Mangundaya Borlado at National Statistician Claire Dennis Mapa bilang miyembro ng Social and Human Sciences Committee. Magiging miyembro naman ng Culture Committee sina Tourism Secretary Cristina Prasco, Acting Trade Secretary Maria Cristina Roque, National Museum of the Philippines Director Jeremy Barnes at National Commission for Culture and the Arts Chairman Victorino Manalo. Italaga rin sina Environment Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga at Science Secretary Renato Solidum Jr. bilang miyembro ng Science and Technology Committee, habang sina Information and Communications Technology Secretary Ivan Jan Oy, Komisyon sa Wikang Pilipino Chairman Arthur Casanova at Alvin Culaba.